Hello everyone, welcome to the Richard Cheney channel. I'm Richard Cheney. Tonight we're going to talk a little bit about the winter mix that's coming in tomorrow. And we got very, very bitter cold coming in as well. So it's going to be cold, snowy, freezing rain. It's going to be very, very slick. So that's what's forecasted for tomorrow here. So, but I'm going to stay in, watch movies, and try to stay warm because it's going to be cold. And it's cold right now. So I'm sitting in the warm house doing this video for you. And sorry I couldn't get out a collection. But tonight I wanted to talk a little bit about the winter mix coming in for tomorrow. And hope you had a wonderful day. I did. I watched movies, like I said, and spent time with Mom, listened to music, and relaxed and stayed in because it was cold. At the end of the month, I'll try to show you a new item, but that will be at the end of the month, plus the items I still have yet to show. For those of you that's new to the channel, I do collection videos here. And if you've enjoyed so far, give this video a thumbs up and refer this channel to one of your friends, relatives, don't matter who, as long as you share the news. And always remember that all items is in mint condition. In order to have nice items, you've got to keep them in mint condition at all times. All times. And I'm going to do each collection in 5s, so that way I can part out each collection. And always remember to like, share, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.